Hey guys, I'm Chef D Max. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to do another drink, which is going to be cool. It's going to be a healthy drink for you. Sometimes when you work out too much and you're just pushing your body hard, you get some inflammation and you need a little pick-me-up when it comes to healthy drink. So we're going to make a nice tea today with a lot of turmeric in it. So it's like a turmeric honey tea. And I hope you like it. So stick with me, click subscribe if you're not doing that already. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and ring that bell and I'll let you know what's coming up in the future. See you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna first start out with this milk tea. We're gonna start with healthier milk than normal. Like you could use whole milk on this or 2% milk if that's what you like. I'm using an almond milk on this, so no flavored original, just no sugar added almond milk because I want to add all that stuff in myself. I don't want them adding fake flavors in there. So you can use whatever you want. If you want to use oat milk, you can use oat milk, okay? Any of those would work. So what we're going to do, we basically are looking to do something super healthy with this, which is turmeric, okay? So this turmeric, and I know you say, oh, I can't get fresh turmeric. If you want to use powdered turmeric in this and you can, I love the flavor of fresh turmeric. Now, when you find it in the grocery store, which you can find it in grocery stores now, it's not like a mystery like it used to be in the past, but you can find it at most grocery stores will have this by the ginger. You can, if you're not going to use a lot of it in a short period of time, what I do is I put it in a Ziploc bag just like this and put it in the freezer. And then when I pop it out, I'm ready to use it. So what we're going to do is, because we're going to blend this, I'm going to slice this up. Now, if you were grating this, you know, the only problem with ginger is it really stains your skin, so be careful. I mean, it comes off, but it's just annoying sometimes. So with that, I put in that whole probably 2-inch piece of turmeric, right? And then I want some spiciness from ginger. So I'm gonna take probably 2 slices, or maybe I'll do 3 slices of ginger like this. And I'm gonna put that in there. I don't want it to be overwhelmingly ginger. I just want it to have a little bit of flavor of that, okay? Now, I'm going to take some coconut sugar here that I have, and for this amount I'm using a quart of milk. So whatever milk you're using a quart, right? I'm going to use I'll probably just use 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, and I'm going to put honey as well. Now for you, if you want just honey, just use honey. So I have a honey that's spiced with chili, because I like that spicy flavor in there too. And I'm gonna squeeze this out, you guys. It's a little thick, this one, but it's coming. You got to be patient sometimes, right? And I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of honey in there. So I had 1 tablespoon of the coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, if you want to just use honey, just put 2 tablespoons of honey then, okay? And with that, we're going to add a little cardamom in. Because we're pureeing this, I'm going to add 2 cardamom pods. That's it, just 2, because it has a nice aroma to it. And then with cinnamon, I'm going to use probably a tablespoon. Not tablespoon, a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Boom. Okay? So 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to take a couple of shots of black pepper. And the reason I'm not going to go crazy on the black pepper, I usually like black pepper for spice, but because I have this really nice honey spiced honey, this like chili spiced, I'm going to not do that, okay? So this, we're going to go ahead and put this on our stovetop. We want this to cook and boil for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Just going to boil it. After we boil it, we're going to put these tea bags that have black tea. So it's an English breakfast tea, just a standard black tea, 2 bags. And why are we not putting that in now? Because the tea doesn't take as long. This needs to kind of meld together, get those flavors going, cook the ginger and the turmeric a little bit, and it's going to be really nice. That turmeric is so good, you know, to reduce swelling and inflammation. So when you're feeling like you need that, boom, this is the perfect tea. So I'm gonna put this on the stove. I'm gonna cook this. We're gonna come back and try it. So I'll see you back in a second. Okay guys, I'm gonna take my mixture off now because it's been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes. What that's doing is cooking the turmeric, cooking the ginger together with this milk. we wouldn't want to put the tea in there the whole time. So I'm using this tea bags in this too because that's the way I can easily pull it out, right? I would not want to puree the tea up in my drink, okay? Now you could, if you wanted to use loose leaf tea, you could use loose leaf tea and then just strain everything out and just drink it like that. It won't be as intense because you're straining out a lot of the turmeric and the ginger. That's going to be really intense when you puree this up. So I've added these black tea bags in. So you can use just the English breakfast tea that you have around the house. And then we're going to let that infuse for about 6 to 7 minutes. So I'll see you back in 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, guys, we're back. We've got our tea here. It's been about I think at least 7 minutes. So I'm just going to squeeze those tea bags out like that. Okay, I'll leave that right here. And I want to taste my tea. So, wow, that's perfect. I like that amount of sugar. If you guys want more, you can put more honey in it. It's really about doing it to your taste. A lot of times when I drink this, I mean, it's for kind of healthy reasons. I want to feel healthy. I want to feel like I can rejuvenate my body. So I don't want to like jam it full of sugar. So if you're going to use sugar, use a nice sugar, an unrefined sugar, or use honey. Honey, I think, is the best for this. Honey, turmeric, milk. Come on, it's going to be great milk tea. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my little blender here. I'm going to do a little bit at a time because I can't do it all at the same time. So I'm going to blend this first, and then we'll add the rest and we'll blend the rest. So give me a second. Okay, I just blend that. I just want to make sure I don't open it too fast, right? And I'm going to pour some in here like this, okay? And then I'm going to put the rest in here, okay? And I need another second. Okay, I'm back. I'm letting this out gently to get the steam out, right? You're going to see, look at this beautiful color, right? Amazing. So that's it. At this point, we've pureed it up. Everything's really smoothly pureed in there. If you don't have a good blender, you could actually strain it if you wanted to. But here I'm just going to take my beautiful glass, and you can see the color. Look at that color, right? Man, it's amazing. And I've got beautiful, healthy turmeric milk tea with ginger and spices, and it's really nice. Beautiful honey in there. My honey, like I said, has a little chili. If you don't like that, you don't have to add that. Just use regular honey. But a real great drink when you need a little lift me up, okay? So I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you back soon in my kitchen. I'm Chef Dean Max. Cheers.